Hello everyone, it's me, and today I thought that I would do something a little different and actually do something rather than just talk. But before I do something, I am gonna talk. I make miniatures sometimes, and I made this little thing. And of course, we all have our monthly bills, so gotta put that in there so we remember. So today I'm going to show you how to make this miniature knife. It's really easy. Now I can guarantee you have all the supplies you need to make this. The first thing being just a piece of cardboard from a cereal box. We take our scissors and cut it down. You want to take a glue stick, and glue sticks are the best that I have found for this versus like plain white glue. And rub it on. You want to put more than you think you will need. So just like this. I've covered it pretty well, and you are gluing printed to printed, so you have like two plain back and fronts. So once you do that, you take your glue stick with the lid on, and you want to put it on a surface and just push. Just like that, just to kind of get it as flat as possible. And then just leave this to dry for like 15-20 minutes. So now that this is dry, I need glasses for this. What you are going to do is you're going to take a pen or a pencil and you're going to draw out a knife shape. Now that it's all drawn out, just like this video, what you want to do is take your scissors and cut this shape out. And it's pretty, straightforward. We are all cut out, and we can go to the next step, which is to take another piece of the cereal box. It was Cinnamon Life, in case you're curious. We're gonna put glue on the printed side. I do this simply because paint really is harder to stick to the printed side than it is this unprinted side. So that's why I do it. Now what you want to do is get a very straight edge. And then you want to line this up right there. And press. So let me make this a little bit more clear. You are only gluing this where the handle is. This part is the blade. You're done with that. You're gluing to here, and you're going to let this dry, and then once it does, you're gonna cut it out, just kind of cutting away. And if you can't get it perfectly like straight, it's totally fine, because you can always go back in with like a nail file and lightly sand it, and it works totally fine. But once we get the paint on it and all of that, you won't really notice any like imperfections. It's just, you have to remind yourself that we're just having fun. Now we're gonna glue this one to this side the exact same way. We're all painted. So now I just kind of set this just like that to let that dry. And because it's acrylic paint, it doesn't take long at all, maybe just a couple of minutes. See? And you do the same on this side. Now for the blade, I take some metallic nail polish and just kind of paint right over it. And you're pretty much done. I will be back to show you the finished results in 15 minutes. And here is our finished knife in this cute little knife block. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.